TikTok is obsessed with high-end gadgets. Sleek, innovative tech that seems almost too good to be true. Today, we're breaking down 5 viral gadgets that actually live up to the hype. Let's see if they're worth your money. Alright, beauty enthusiasts, get ready to meet a new star in the world of hairstyling. It's the Shark Flex Style Air Styling and Drying System, a viral dupe for the Dyson Airwrap that's been making waves across the internet. Everyone's been talking about it, so let's dive in and see what all the hype is about. It's all about versatility, dries, curls, giving you those perfect ringlets or beachy waves and smooths, taming frizz and leaving your hair sleek and polished. The magic lies in its clever L-shaped hinge and easy swap attachments, making it a breeze to switch between styles. The auto-wrap curlers, a standout feature, use the Coanda effect, gently drawing your hair around the barrel. This creates beautiful bouncy curls with less heat damage, so you can style without the worry. It's sturdy, intuitive, and delivers salon-quality results at home. For anyone tired of juggling a blow dryer and brush, trying to coordinate your arms and tools, this is a game changer. Not just a dupe. This is a legit contender in hair tech, offering a real alternative for achieving your dream hair. Let's talk about maintaining that perfect sip every single time. Next up, we have the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. This isn't just a mug, it's a technological marvel designed for the discerning beverage enthusiast. Imagine never having to reheat your coffee again. With the Ember mug, your coffee stays hot for hours, maintaining that ideal temperature from the first sip to the last. The magic lies in its smart technology. Set your perfect temperature with the app, customizing it to your exact preference, and the mug keeps it there, consistently delivering the warmth you desire. The integrated LED light subtly indicates when your beverage is at the perfect temperature. Whether you're deeply focused at your desk, lost in thought, or actively engaged on a call, the Ember mug ensures your drink remains perfectly heated. Beyond its functionality, the Ember mug boasts a minimalist design, seamlessly blending into any workspace or home environment. The app offers easy controls, allowing you to adjust the temperature with just a few taps on your smartphone. And with its included charging coaster, keeping your Ember mug powered up is effortless, ensuring it's always ready to maintain your drink's ideal temperature. This means you get all-day warmth, eliminating the need for constant reheating and allowing you to savor every moment. It's a small luxury, an investment in your daily comfort and enjoyment. This innovative mug quickly becomes essential, transforming your daily coffee or tea routine into a consistently pleasurable experience. It's the perfect gift for coffee and tea lovers, those who appreciate the finer things in life and the importance of a perfectly heated beverage. TikTok loves it for a reason, showcasing its popularity and widespread appeal among those seeking innovative and convenient solutions. The Ember mug elevates your daily ritual, transforming a simple act into a moment of pure indulgence and consistent satisfaction. Meet the Theragun Mini 2.0, pocket-sized, powerful, and perfect for muscle recovery. It's compact, quiet, and delivers deep tissue massage with 3 speed settings. Swappable attachments target everything from sore muscles to trigger points. Charges via USB-C, so it's always ready to go. Whether you're at your desk, the gym, or traveling, this is the ultimate recovery tool. The Hatch Restore 2 Smart Sleep Assistant is designed to revolutionize your sleep experience. It's more than just a sunrise alarm, it's a gentle invitation to start your day. It's a personalized sleep system meticulously crafted to meet your unique needs and preferences. It combines the power of light therapy, using carefully calibrated hues to prepare your body for rest, soothing sounds, offering a library of ambient noises and soundscapes to lull you into a peaceful slumber, and smart alarms that gently nudge you awake with a simulated sunrise, to help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, creating a haven of tranquility. It helps you wake up naturally, feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. You can customize your sleep routines and sounds, tailoring the experience to your exact specifications. All of this customization is easily managed in the intuitive app, putting you in complete control. This leads to better sleep quality, ensuring you wake up feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the world. Physical buttons mean that you don't need your phone at bedtime, eliminating distractions and promoting relaxation. It's all over TikTok for a reason. People are raving about the transformative effects it has on their sleep. It delivers better sleep and significantly less grogginess, allowing you to seize each day with energy and enthusiasm. Finally, the Beats Studio Buds Plus viral for their transparent design and premium sound. Active noise canceling, transparency mode, and improved microphones make them stand out. 4 ear tip sizes and sweat resistance mean comfort and durability. One-touch pairing with iOS and Android, no ecosystem lock-in. Stylish, high-performing, and worthy of the hype. There you have it, 5 viral gadgets that actually deliver. Each one solves a real problem or upgrades your daily routine. Links are in the description. Let me know which one you picked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more viral tech finds.